Welcome back to English Learning Podcast. I'm very happy you're here. This podcast is made for beginners who want to speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about your morning routine in English. You will listen, repeat, and practice speaking with me. Don't worry, there is no pressure. Just relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Today's topic. Today we are talking about morning routine. Morning routine means the things you do after you wake up. Native English speakers use these sentences every day. When you learn them, you can talk about your life in simple English. Let's start. Part 1. Waking up. In the morning, I wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. I feel sleepy, but I get out of bed. Repeat after me. I wake up. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. Good. Again. I wake up. I get out of bed. Very good. Part 2. In the bathroom. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I feel fresh. Repeat. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Again. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Nice and slow. Part 3. Getting ready. After that, I get ready for the day. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I wear clean clothes. I feel clean. I feel awake. Repeat with me. I take a shower. I wear clean clothes. I feel ready. Very good. Part 4. Breakfast. Now it's time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee or I make tea. I eat eggs. I eat bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. Repeat. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink tea. Again. I eat breakfast every morning. Excellent. Part 5. Checking phone. After breakfast, I check my phone. I read messages. I check the time. I look at the weather. Repeat. I check my phone. I read messages. I check the time. Good job. Part 6. Going to work or study. Now my morning continues. I go to work or I go to school. I take my bag. I leave my home. I start my day. Repeat. I go to work. I go to school. I start my day. Again. Slowly. I start my day. Very good. Listening practice. Now listen carefully. I will say a short morning story. Just listen first. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower. I wear clean clothes. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. Then I go to work. Now repeat after me. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Excellent. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video after each sentence and speak loudly. Ready? I wake up at. I eat blank for breakfast. I go to. Good. You are speaking English. That's progress. Common simple sentences. Let's practice some very common sentences. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up late. I feel sleepy. I feel fresh. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I start my day. Say them again. Perfect. Mini review. Let's review today's lesson. Today, you learned how to talk about waking up, bathroom routine, breakfast, and starting your day. These are real sentences used in real life. You don't need big grammar, you need practice. And you are practicing right now. Great job today. You are doing very well. If you want to speak English better, listen again and repeat every day. English is not difficult. You just need time and daily practice. Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'll see you in the next episode.